So do your daughters take iodine as well?
Oh yeah, I'm always shipping to Glasgow, to Greece, to shipping my son to shipping out iodine.
Yeah, I've been giving my sons a little bit of iodine, but they hate the taste of the drops. And I feel that the drops are a little bit more effective than the tablet version. So
Oh, I do too because there's more absorption.
okay.
I do too.
Okay, that's
I
what
use
I thought.
gelatin caps. You can try gelatin caps. Just put a drop in a gelatin cap.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. That's so smart. Okay. Yeah, that's the biggest struggle of my clients is I cannot drink those
Yeah,
drops because
yeah,
it's disgusting. So I'm like, chase
yeah.
it with a little bit of salt water or like take like a shot and just add a little bit of water and then drink something else right after. But so then a lot
I
of
mean,
people opt for the tablets. But okay, I didn't even think about the gelatin shot.
yeah, I've never recommended the tablets, but also, when you're swallowing it, if you have an infection of some form in nasal and respiratory issue, I would drink it because, iodine is
Oh, that's
vapor.
right.
So you want to get it in the nose and the mucus. If you don't have any of that, just the gelatin cap is fine.
That's so interesting. I never thought about doing that because I interviewed with a dentist, a carnivore dentist, and he recommended that some people swish with the probiotics in the mouth and then swallow it at night. But I never thought that, yeah, the iodine actually makes sense as well. It's fascinating because there's so much more information coming out about dental health and how it affects our whole, because we are swallowing so much mucus every day. And if you have oral issues or nasal issues, it's going down into your gut and then it affects everything else. So it's just
Oh, salt pipes. I recommend salt pipes.
so what's
I
that?
got salt pipes. So you take a little bottle, you add some salt, like a teaspoon, one drop of iodine, and you inhale. You breathe it in, and that can clear your nasal patches.
Oh,
And
that's
you
so
get, because you need it in your respiratory system, you need it in lung tissue. Mucus is our immune system is mucus. You need iodine. That's why there's so much iodine in our mucus because it's so important to our immune system.
a lot of mold lives in your nasal cavity. And so a lot of people would have these drops of I don't even know what they are. But yeah, I guess iodine is an option
It's
too.
quite strong. It's quite strong. So start, very slowly, but it definitely gets some iodine in your mucus because you need iodine everywhere. So if it goes in your intestines with a gelatin cap or you're drinking it, if you're drinking it, a tiny bit is vaporized and it'll go in your
Right.
nasal passage. But it has a lot of work to do. So you could say that if you're congested or you have a cold, nobody I know who takes iodine has colds anymore, but if you happen to have a cold, you make a salt pipe and you know, one or two